You've probably seen these Sora 2 AI style videos absolutely everywhere recently, from TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and in a matter of days, some of these clips are getting tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of views. And because of monetization, this is crazy. People on YouTube Shorts, they are literally posting 10 to 12 second Sora AI clips and getting revenue share off the hundreds of millions of views that they're generating. Then on TikTok, as you lot would know, you need to post around 1 minute videos minimum to get any revenue off the platform. And people are doing this exact formula with Sora 2 AI videos. So for creators that understand how to structure these AI videos, they are printing money right now. So naturally, I've had a few messages. People ask me, how do you actually make these Sora videos and how can I get access to Sora itself? Because the platform itself isn't fully available worldwide yet, so a lot of creators can't even access it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how creators are actually making these Sora 2 AI style videos without access to Sora itself, no matter the country that you're based in. There's a platform that literally simplifies the entire process where you can generate short form clips for your YouTube Shorts channels, even over 1 minute videos to qualify for the TikTok rewards program, using the exact same visual style as the Sora videos. It's called Verlo, and I'll walk you through the whole step-by-step process start to finish. So like I mentioned at the start of the video, a few of you guys have been DMing me, how can I do these Sora videos? I can't get access to it, because if you're based outside of the US and Canada, you can't even get access to Sora. But this AI tool Verlo literally has an integration where you can create these Sora videos. As I've personally had a lot of other AI software companies reach out saying, can you do a video on our tool? But this one in particular, Verlo, is very relevant in terms of the Sora integration. It's something I haven't seen with a lot of other softwares. If you simply just type in into Google Verlo.ai, and then you can sign up here either with an email, but what I'll do is just continue with Google to actually get access to the dashboard for this account. But before we go ahead and check out any of the features, the first thing you want to do when you're on the dashboard after you've logged into your account is head here on the left hand side to the account section, and then connect either your YouTube or TikTok account. And as you can see here, I've linked my Louis Online YouTube account, and you can see the subscribers, total views, how many videos you've posted, how often you're posting. You can even look at your content performance itself of certain videos, how many likes and shares the videos are getting, where you rank. What's also quite a cool feature, you can see your top posting times and your top performing hashtags. So once you've logged in to Verlo itself and then linked your account on this section here, you can then go to the dashboard and you can see a few things from the niches. You have like animals, celebrities, geography, history, which you can all analyze itself, which I'll show you shortly. You've then got the trend section and the recent added outliers, which is also a very cool feature. So for this instance, let's just say we click on the horror/scary niche. You can see here the daily views for it, the total views as well, which is actually quite interesting. You can see the graph here, certain days it's performing better than others. You can literally even look at the daily performance insights, the views by country, and even the upload times heat map. You can then see the popular hashtags within the niche itself, the top creators there. And for example, if we go to this main section here, the top videos, we can do recent uploads, last 30 days, and you can even narrow it down. Say you just want to do YouTube, for example. You can see here, look, 24th of October, 50,000, 24th of October, 1 million. Then if you go to TikTok, it shows you what's working there. This one here, 50,000, 50,000, 70,000, 500,000, 800,000. So you can see why this tool is especially beneficial when it comes down to finding content that is working within your niche. But for the sake of this video being about Sora 2, we're going to go on the AI vlogs niche, and you can see here the stats spiking at certain moments, like October 17th, hundreds of millions of views on each platform. A very good tool to see. And if we scroll down here, yeah, like we did before, you can see the countries, the times heat map. But for example, if we go to top videos, right, recent uploads, we do, yeah, last 30 days. But for the platforms, for the first video, we're going to be looking to do it on YouTube Shorts, because like I stated in the start of the video, you can monetize these themes of videos that are only like 10 to 12 seconds long when it comes to YouTube Shorts. So I've selected YouTube here, and then instead of recent uploads, I'll do it based on views in the last 30 days. So if we do this, you can see here, look, like 16 million Sora video, another Sora video here. A lot of these are ranking videos. But let's try find one that I think could actually work for this video. So I've just come across this concept here that I think we could recreate as it's trending right now. It was only posted on the 13th of October and it's had over 3.5 million views. As you can see, the description is simply just parrot in the airport. And what's the cool feature about this as well, you can add it to a collection. So let's say you're going to do multiple different niches. If you have a celebrity niche, geography, horror, you can literally make a collection for each one, making it so much easier to systemize your content. So I've gone ahead and set up a collection for Sora 2, making it relevant for this video. And all I have to simply do is click this and then add to collection. I'm then going to head over to this section here where you actually create the content canvas. I'll go onto this and then I'll click create new canvas. Now you have three options here. You have a guided flow, which is easier for beginners, literally a step-by-step showing you how to actually set up a video. You can do media generation or free roam. For the sake of this video, we're going to go with the guided flow one. And I'll select Sora 2 and this parrot video here that I found with 3.5 million views. I'll select that, put add selected video. Then after that, we're going to head to the prompt section on section 2. And there's a whole different type of content you can do. You can do chat message story, Reddit story, all storytelling, ranking, TikTok shop. For this one, I'm just going to do the content type as default. And you can see the prompt here, which I'll go to the next section. Once you've done that, you literally just click generate script here. And as you can see, it's generating and we're going to see what it comes up with. And as you can see here, it's come up with a script with the title, When Your Pet Parrot Tries to Board a Flight Without You. And it's literally made this script in seconds. We're now on the final section before the video gets made. And you can see here, you got this script already written out, not even having to write anything out. You can edit it if you want to. But for now, I'm just going to leave it to see what it comes up with. And the great feature about this, like I mentioned, with TikTok to make money, we're going to see shortly. But you can do over 60-second videos. You can see here, look, 64 seconds. It costs 480 credits. But for the sake of the YouTube Shorts one, let's just do a 16-second short. Then for the video style section, you've got cinematic, AI vlogs, ASMR or custom style. For this one, I'm going to select AI vlogs. Then for the generation model, you've got VEO3 fast, quality, Sora 2 text or runway ML. For this one, I'm going to be doing Sora 2 text. Then finally, for the artistic style, this is quite a cool section. You can either do realistic, anime or professional 3D. It's going to make most sense for this topic to do realistic. You can then even go into more detail and edit the scenes. For example, here you have the core scenes element. For now, I'm going to leave it as is to see what it creates. You then have the camera and visual style, which you can change here. Do wide shot, establishing shot, over the shoulder. Even change the camera movement, smooth tracking, static, drone aerial. The amount of detail is crazy. The lighting, audio dialogue, technical parameters. It is insane the amount of stuff that you can personalize for your videos. And as you can see, the separate scenes here have been generated, but here's the full 20-second video that has been made.
One ticket to Miami, please.
I'm sorry, are you?
Did you just assume my species? I identify as a frequent flyer.
Sir, this isn't a pet-friendly flight!
I paid for a window seat, not cargo! This is a violation of my bird rights!
Okay, partner, let's step away from the counter.
Window
Paid
seat,
in full.
easy.
We've got you.
And this video was literally made when I click generate in minutes. It is insane. The scalability of this as well, because you can set up multiple different pages, constantly be testing, and when something works literally within this Verlo interface, you can double down with the same exact formula. As like I mentioned, a lot of AI tool companies reach out saying, do a video on my software, it's the best thing out there. But when Verlo reached out, I actually used it to see, does this work? And when I saw the Sora 2 integration fully was working, I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and do a video on this tool. And they've been kind enough and reached out and offered you guys a 10% discount, whether on your first month or year when signing up. All you have to do is type Louis10 at checkout. So now that we've created a YouTube Shorts version for the Sora 2 style, it's time to do a TikTok one. And like I said, it has to be over 1 minute long. So what I'm going to do with this tool is stitch together a few clips to bring it over that 1 minute mark. And I thought I'd stick with the animal section here. So I went down and simply sorted by the most views on all platforms for TikTok. And then I saw this one here on TikTok 212 million views, only posted on the 2nd of October. So what I'm going to do is get some variations like this clip. As you can see here, from the prompt, from the original video of the cat stealing the fish, this one is a bit different. Raccoon heist, picnic robbery gone viral. So what I'm going to do is create one version of this video with 32 seconds, then create a whole new script and stitch both of the clips together to bring it to that 1 minute mark. So part 1 of the TikTok video has been made and it is actually quite good. So what I'm going to do to bring it over the 1 minute mark is use the same reference clip as before, being this one here, but basically create a new script for the video. So I created a few script variations for this one and I'm going to go for this format here, still going with the raccoon format to make it relevant for the 1 minute TikTok itself. And it's going to be raccoon pulls off funniest convenience store heist. Now let's see what sort of video this prompt generates. So now that the second part of the TikTok has been made, I've put it onto CapCut. And as you can see, all together the video is 1 minute long. And here's what it looks like in its entirety.
Did that raccoon just steal my entire sandwich? Okay, this is not a drill, people!
He's moving fast. Look at those little hands working the plastic wrap. He's done this before. Yep.
Oh no, he's crawling back up! This is organized crime, people! Number 3 just grabbed the entire cooler! That was either the cutest robbery ever, or I just got schooled by wildlife.
Hey, what in the... No, put that back. Hey, that's not yours. Hey, stop that little bandit! Close. Oh, come on.
Now of course things can be tweaked to up the pace, but this is just to show you how quick these videos can be made. I'm not even joking. These 2 clips were literally made in minutes, making over 1 minute worth of content. Now imagine if you're constantly tweaking it, setting all the scenes personalized for your video, you can see how engaging these can really be. Alright, so that's the full breakdown for this tool. It is a super simple process. Literally all you need to do is find what is going viral on this tool itself, recreate the videos in an original format and post consistently. So if after this video you're thinking, you know what, I want to give Verlo a go, remember you can use code Louis10 at checkout for 10% off. There's no pressure, only if you found this tool helpful. But that's going to wrap it up and I'll see you lot in the next video.